What is Dodow? Dodow is a sleep aid device designed to help people fall asleep faster and improve the quality of their sleep. It is a small, circular device that projects a soft blue light onto the ceiling or wall. The user synchronizes their breathing with the light, which gradually slows down and helps to calm the mind and body. The idea is that by focusing on the light and regulating breathing, users can reduce the mental activity that often keeps them awake at night. Dodow also has a few different settings, allowing users to choose the length of the breathing exercises and adjust the brightness of the light to their liking. It is a non-invasive and drug-free solution for sleep problems that have gained popularity in recent years.
I've just had the best 2 weeks of sleep in my life. Before now, I have slept horribly. You know how it is, right? When you just are like tossing and turning all night and then you just can't get your brain to shut off. And I've tried everything. I discovered the Dodow. Okay, this spaceship looking thing is amazing. It emits a blue light onto the ceiling, and as it pulses you breathe, and it's very relaxing. It's kind of like meditation.
How does Dodow work? Dodow works by using a simple breathing exercise technique combined with calming visual stimulation. The user lies in bed and turns on the Dodow device, which projects a soft blue light onto the ceiling or wall. The user then synchronizes their breathing with the light, inhaling as the light expands and exhaling as it contracts. The user repeats this pattern, gradually slowing down their breathing until they reach a state of relaxation and fall asleep. The Dodow device is designed to help calm the mind and reduce mental activity that often keeps people awake at night. By focusing on the light and breathing rhythm, the user can enter a meditative state that promotes relaxation and sleepiness. The device has different settings, allowing users to choose the length of the breathing exercises and adjust the brightness of the light to their liking. Overall, Dodow is a non-invasive and drug-free solution for sleep problems that works by helping users regulate their breathing and calm their minds before sleep. The features and benefits of Dodow. Features: simple and easy to use. Projects a soft blue light onto the ceiling or wall. Offers different settings for breathing exercises and light brightness. Operates on batteries. No need for cords or outlets. Benefits: helps users fall asleep faster. Improves the quality of sleep. Reduces stress and anxiety levels. Promotes relaxation and calmness. Non-invasive and drug-free solution for sleep problems. Suitable for all ages, including children. It can be used with or without other sleep aids, such as pillows or noise machines. Compact and portable, making it easy to take on trips or use in different locations. How to use Dodow. To use Dodow, follow these steps. 1. Place the Dodow device on a nearby surface, such as a nightstand or bedside table. 2. Turn off the lights in your room, and lie down in your bed in a comfortable position. 3. Press the touch-sensitive surface on the top of the Dodow device to turn it on. 4. Choose your preferred settings for the breathing exercise and the brightness of the light. The device offers different options for each, so you can experiment to find the settings that work best for you. 5. Once you have selected your settings, focus on the soft blue light projected by the device. As the light expands, inhale slowly and deeply. As the light contracts, exhale slowly and completely. 6. Continue to synchronize your breathing with the light for the duration of the session. The device will automatically turn off when the session is complete. 7. If you are still awake after the session, you can repeat the process or turn off the device and try to fall asleep naturally. Remember that using Dodow may take some time to get used to, and it may not work for everyone. Be patient and consistent with your use of the device, and talk to a healthcare provider if you continue to experience sleep problems. Pros and cons of Dodow. Pros of Dodow: helps users fall asleep faster and improves sleep quality. Drug-free and non-invasive solution for sleep problems. Easy to use with simple breathing exercises and soft blue light. Portable and compact design for easy use in different locations. Suitable for all ages, including children. Offers adjustable settings to customize breathing exercises and light brightness. It may reduce stress and anxiety levels. promoting overall relaxation and calmness. Cons of Dodow: requires the user to be comfortable with focusing on the light and regulating their breathing. Battery powered, so users need to have extra batteries on hand. Some users may find the light to be too bright or distracting and may need to experiment with different settings to find the right level of brightness. Dodow price and where to buy. Dodow is available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We provide this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee.